There's a big tendency right now to use artificial intelligence to substitute for what people are able to do. Sometimes economists talk about this difference between a substitutive technology and a complementary technology. Substitute obviously substitutes for you. The complement makes you better. We like to call this augmentative technology. What we're looking for is not simply AI that is an educational tool, but I mean all of the AI you build has two responsibilities. My automated navigation system has one responsibility to get me there and another equally important responsibility to make certain that when I get there, I'm a better person than when I started. So we actually understand in a fairly nuanced way how the neuroscience, for example, of navigation and memory and the hippocampus, which subserves all of those, is actually improved by navigating through space, actively exploring through places you don't know, which of course, if you have a navigation system, it does it for you. So if you had to own both of those responsibilities, and I don't mean in a philosophical sense, but I mean you had to literally build the technology, how do you build one that gets you there and makes you better when you arrive, rather than having substituted it for you? I fundamentally believe technology should be challenging, and its job should be challenging us to be a better person.